This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Jio Fiber number or registered mobile ID. This prevents recharging the wrong account. Once done, open Google Pay and make sure you're signed into the correct profile tied to your payment method. Check that UPI or a bank/card is active and has enough balance. This avoids mid-transaction failures. While you have the Jio details visible, proceed to the next screen in Google Pay where you select Bill Payments. This is where the transaction begins. You now tap New Payment and navigate to the Bills or Internet category. It's faster to type Jio Fiber in the search box. After selecting Jio Fiber, enter the account number or the registered mobile number exactly as shown on your Jio invoice. Next, Google Pay will fetch outstanding bills or let you choose a recharge amount. Verify plan, period, and amount carefully because this determines your next billing date. When details match your intent, choose the saved payment method and prepare to authorize the payment. You finish by reviewing the summary so there are no surprises. Then tap Pay and complete authorization using UPI PIN, card OTP, or bank confirmation. Once payment succeeds, immediately save or screenshot the receipt and verify confirmation via SMS or the My Jio app so service resumes on time. If the recharge doesn't reflect, wait a few minutes, then retry or use another payment method. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your receipt. That single troubleshooting step resolves most delays quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.